In this video we're going to have a look at the Xcartoys HEC Exclusive Hobby Expo China. The tank 300 Iron Cavalry 02 full structural detailing chassis. That is the big thing on this tank model. Here we got the package. Tank is an off-road Chinese made car. I think I've seen some videos on the World Wide Web. It is not as good as the European or American off-roads, but it is performing pretty well off-road. Well, you have to check the videos yourself. But besides that, I think this car is pretty cool looking. I have some other ones here on the side. We're going to have a look at those as well. I got this one on Aliexpress for way too much money. It's probably still available, but I think it's better to go to the Hobby Expo China and buy it there. Oh, it has steering wheels. I was not expecting that. Yeah, I have to say, it looks fantastic in the bare metal look. Xcartoys is already fantastic, but this tank is next level. Oh, we got working. What? You see that? That is next level suspension, my friends. Realistic suspension. Okay, now let's go. Hey, there's no heating in the back window. There is always room for improvement. Rubber tire, roof rack, snorkel on the side mirrors. Now let's go to this awesome base. This has got to be one of the coolest bases I have ever seen. With the steering. What? Check this over here. It's even got... That suspension is next level. Whoa. Best suspension on a diecast car ever. What a cool exclusive is this. Man, oh man. And how does that look when I place it here? Yeah, that looks fantastic. Whoa. I love this car. I'm a fan of off-road cars, but this is truly amazing. So, what a fantastic car is this. Almost forgot about the interior, because most of the time Xcartoys has color details, and that is also the case with this one. Even the middle console has painted details. Let's try if we can light it up a little bit. We can. How about the interior? Yeah, it looks very nice. Okay, let's compare it with the other vehicles I've got. Can we check the front? How does that look? That is so realistic. This must be the most realistic suspension on a 164 car ever made. I hope in the future all of the 164 off-road cars has this kind of suspension. Huh. So here we have another tank. This one is weathered. This one is also welcome in a weathering edition. And I hope Xcartoys is going to make more of these realistic base suspension models. See, this is the normal one without, yeah, there is a little bit suspension, but way too tight, not realistic. Weathering is very well done, even on the windows. Yeah, love this one as well. Then I have this one. This one belongs to a set. Did a review about it. If you type in Xcartoys Tank 300 or just Tank, you will find a video. It's a set with, I think, 6 or 7 cars, including a chase. I will show you the chase as well. Nice metal base with details, good rubber tires. And I know it's a Chinese car, but it is a real existing car. And like I said, it's performing okay off-road. They also made this one with the Caterpillar tracks. Very original, I like this one as well. And we have this one. This one has also pretty realistic suspension. They released it not so long ago. I think it's also a Chinese car. As you can see, very loose, but that is what we need for realistic suspension. You can also, yeah, nice one. Okay, now I promised I'll show you the chase of this set. Let's go over here, because the chase is here with my space models, because it's a tank with rockets to go to the moon and back. Awesome, right? Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share, and I will see you soon with more diecast. Bye.